Hello friends, welcome to Health, Music and Fitness channel. Today I'll be showing you how to crop and zoom images, still images and videos in Filmora 9. It's a very useful feature which Filmora 9 has, and sometimes you just want just one particular part of the video or the image to be shown for some particular time in the video, and for that you have to crop the image and zoom the image, or pan and zoom. Sometimes you want to shift the focus of the viewer from one point to the other in the picture or the video. So let's start. For that you will have to first import a picture, and today is the first time I'm recording with two cameras, one my mobile phone Note 9 and my Dell Alienware laptop. So let's see how it goes today. And so first we'll select any picture randomly, and let us say I will select okay, I'll select this picture. This is a nice picture, and then you have to drag and drop in the timeline. For that there are two ways to do it. You can click on this plus sign, or you can just it's not highlighted right now, none of the pictures are highlighted. This is a video and this is a still image. So I'll just click once, you see this green outline, so this picture is selected. Then you left click and hold it and drag and drop in the timeline. So this is your timeline, and we'll just expand a little bit over a few seconds. So for 1 second we have shifted stretched the image. Now the first step is over. We have created a picture in the timeline. Then you have to right click on it, and there you will see this option crop and zoom. So in crop and zoom, if you play, the picture is just like that, what you see in the timeline, and we don't want that. These are different pictures ratios: 16:9, 4:3, 1:1, 9:16, and like Instagram uses 1:1, and 16:9 is sort of a film scope. And but we will select custom. I'll tell you why I want to select custom, because let us say I want to just focus on anybody's face. Let us say Beast, he's Beast, and I want to focus. So if I grab from here one corner and I do like this, I can't go to his focus, or I can't focus on his head actually. If I do try from here, still it doesn't happen. Okay, I can do like this, but sometimes you need a very nice square around a picture or an area. So that how you will do. So we'll first cancel it, then right click, crop and zoom, and in that you select custom. So in custom, if you are altering the x-axis or the y-axis, the other won't be altered with it. And like in predefined ratios, the x and y axis will be shifted or altered each time you move one of the other. So now I have chosen custom. So what I will do is I will grab from here and bring it here. Now you see the width hasn't been affected. And then like this, and like this, and like this. Okay, then you can, when the square sign comes, you can hold, drag to particular. So that's how you will crop and zoom. Okay, now we will delete the effect, and if you right click on delete and you hit delete, so the effect is deleted and the picture is reverted back to the original form. Now we will select crop and zoom again, and we'll go to pan and zoom. Okay, this is crop, this is pan and zoom. Now you see there are two lines. This is green line, green square, and out here is red square. So red is from where we start and green is where we end. Okay, now red has gone on to our outer side and green is the inner side. Okay, now let us say I want to focus on my face only. Okay, and like this. Now see, I forgot to choose the custom. So I have to include a lot of extra area. This switch is visible, this plug board, switchboard is visible, and a lot of other extra things are visible which I don't want in the picture. So I will go to custom and I will then alter it. So this is the importance of custom. Okay, and then you click OK. So what happens is, for the user, the beginning picture will be the full picture, and then slowly we'll zoom in on the face, whichever area you so we click play. So it's 1 second clip, 1 minute clip, so it's taking longer time. I'll do it again. I'll shorten it. Okay, and I will right click, delete effect. We'll just redo the thing so that it's more evident. Pan and zoom. So green is outside, I want to zoom in, so I'll click here. Now I'm here and I will click custom, and I will go to, I'll drag certain areas, and OK. Now let's see. So you go here and you click play. See, so nicely it is zooming in on the face. So this is a very nice feature, and sometimes you want, like I teach ECGs and I want to just focus on lead 2 or lead 3 or whatever, and or some complex, and I can zoom in on particular lead and particular abnormality and show it. And now again we'll delete the effect, and I will crop and zoom again. Now we are keeping the green area outside and the red area inside. Okay, so crop and zoom, and let us say like this, just Doberman is visible, and wait, yeah, so now see what happens. So you play. So see, very nicely it is zooming in on to where we want to. Okay, now again we will delete the effect. We'll go to the same effect again, crop and zoom, and this time we will keep the green square outside and the red square inside. So I don't know why it is hanging, just hold on. So we'll select again. So green square is outside, the red square is inside, and we'll okay. So I want to show you something else. So green is always, see, now the arrow is showing, it will start from Doberman. Okay, it will start from Doberman, and it will zoom on to whichever area we select. So it will finally zoom to this area, and we click OK, and then we go to 0 position and play. So this is a very nice feature, and it's an awesome feature, and especially for teachers and vloggers. And this was a small tutorial showing how to crop and zoom. And one more feature I will show you, one more effect I will show you. We will delete the effect, and supposing you want just living with 2 Doberman, you want this to be visible. So we'll go to here, crop, and you crop it. Okay, we'll crop it, hold it, select custom, and okay, and that's it, and living with 2 Doberman. So this is also a very nice effect from, so if you play, only this will be visible. Sometimes in a picture, particular area of the picture is not appropriate, or you don't want something to be visible, some book is lying here or some shoe is lying there, and it all happens. We are vloggers, so we want to hide it, so you can just cut and crop and do something. So I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification icon so that you can be notified of the videos as we upload. Thank you.